Namaste viewers. In the previous video we discussed about the some basic concepts regarding the human blood grouping and their alleles which are going to control that blood grouping and the types of alleles and their genotype and regarding little bit that RH concept. So now let us concentrate. So the blood relation between the parents and the children, and along with some numericals, some problematic questions on this blood grouping concept. So let me focus. Already have drawn a table. So this is the continued video. So already have drawn a table here, and this table, it is concerned to the blood group types, that blood type of parents and the probable possible blood groups of their children. So here I have made two columns in this table. This table content, it is having the parents blood groups, and that side this column, it is having the possible blood groups in their progenies, in their children. So in their children, what type of blood groups we can expect if the parents blood group is like this. So this is the table, and on this table we can predict which blood group is impossible in the progeny if you are given with blood groups of their parents. So this is the helpful chart for our problematic portion there. Let me consider. So as already we know, 4 major types of blood groups we are having. Now I am not considering positive and negative blood groups. Just I am focusing on the major blood groups. Now, as already we know, A, B, AB and O, 4 types of blood groups we are having. There AB is the universal recipient and O is the universal donor. Why it is so? Already we explained in the previous video. And here, if we consider their parents, now 2 parents we are having. So that is your convenience. You can refer it as mother and you can refer it as father, or vice versa. That is for your convenience. Now one father is O blood group. One parent is O blood group. Another parent also O blood group. If both are O blood group, means compulsory the progeny, the child will be having compulsory O blood group only. There is no possibility of A, B and AB. Only O. And if so, let me consider for convenience. Let me consider this side as mother, this side father, for our convenience, or you can make it vice versa. Mother blood group is O and father blood group is A. A means either homozygous or heterozygous. O means always homozygous. Here homozygous, heterozygous, if both the possibilities are there, means for this table point of view I am considering it as the heterozygous A. Now mother is O and father is A, then the progenies will be having either O or A. Then here the probability is 50-50%, and here the probability is 100%. All the children who are going to born for these parents, compulsory they must be having O blood group only. But here the children who are born for the parents having O and A blood group, they will be having 50-50% chance either O or A blood group. If mother O and father B, that is let me consider all those are heterozygous conditions here, A and B, AB like that. If father is B, then again O and B are possible. A is not possible, AB also not possible. Again chances are 50-50%. And here so here also 50-50% chance. And here if the mother is O and father is AB or vice versa, then here also only 2 blood groups are possible, either A or B, not O, not AB. So here also chance 50-50%. Yes. And here if both the parents are A and A, so let me consider heterozygous A, then the possibilities are either A or O, not B, not AB. Here also the chances are 50-50%. Right? And one more thing, how we can decide the blood group like this means, if we take their genotype and if we cross them, already you know crossing of genotypes either in the Punnett square, that is in the checkerboard, or you can directly cross them. After crossing, bottom side will come to know what are the probabilities. On that basis, already we have drawn this table. And if the parent blood group is A and B, then see here, the probable blood groups A, B, AB, and all 4 blood groups are possible in the children. If the blood group is A and B in the parents, that means chances are 25%. Each child bearing this blood group is 25%. So all 4 types are possible here. If both are heterozygous, homozygous means not possible. Heterozygous, that's why at the starting only I told you, let us consider heterozygous. Why? Because probabilities we can get more. If one parent A, one parent is AB means, then we can get A, B and AB. O is not possible. Then if you want to predict the percentage, we have to cross them, then we will come to know easily. And if the parents B and B blood group, then possibilities are heterozygous means, then possibilities in the child O and B. A is not possible, AB also not possible. If both parents, one is B, another one is AB blood group, then we can predict A, B and AB, not O. And lastly, if both the parents are AB and AB blood group, AB means, of course, that is the heterozygous only. There is no possibility of homozygous condition in AB blood group. Heterozygous, then we can predict either A, either B, either AB, not O. So here, some special mentions if you want to look upon. So here this one. Yes. See here. When both the parents are, one is heterozygous A, one is heterozygous B, then we can get all the 4 types of blood groups possibilities. So that means the diversity is more there. And if both the parents are O blood group, then their child always will be O. There is no diversity, only one blood group. So in most of the cases, we will be asking the questions majorly concerned to the O and AB in most of the question patterns if you observe. And if we consider, so on this basis, if you want to look for the some problems here. So if you consider the first problem, and one more thing, I am not writing the problem on the board, so it will take more time again. So just I am reading and I will write the datas of that problem here. If we consider the first problem, the blood type of children, listen, the blood type of children never resemble their parents. The blood types of children never resemble their parents' blood type. Then find out the parents' blood group genotypes. See here, the question is, what we are given with children. So many children are there for those parents. No children resemble the blood group of their parents. All the children blood groups are entirely different. Then what might be the blood group genotype of the parents? So they have asked this question. And here just I am writing for that question what are the objectives here. So for the first question, the first option we are having IA cross IB. Second option IO cross to IB. Third option IO cross IO. And the fourth option IB IO. So for that question, if they give the options like this, So parents, so children are there, their blood groups do not match with their parents. Then what is the probable blood group types in the parents? This is the question. And for this question, we are having the 4 options here. Now see here. So here, if you want to observe, see here. This is, let us consider, this is parent 1 and this is a parent 2. One thing you observe here, just parent 1 is homozygous A. Let us consider father. Father is a homozygous A, mother is homozygous B. That means A blood group and B blood group. But if we cross this one, we will get only AB. How it is, see just. Let me consider here. IA, IB, cross, IA, IB. Keep one thing in your mind. So, you can apply this one for all the simplifications. If the conditions, if you are crossing like that, means no need to write the condition, no need to crossing, no need to put the checkerboard. Just simply by mind fuzzling you can do this one. First allele from this side, first allele from this side. Multiply. First allele from this side, second allele from this side. While multiplying, leave this I. Leave this I and this I at that time multiplication. That means what is the condition here? A and A. That means A blood group. Right? Next one. A and, so at the second allele, A and B. AB blood group. Right? Then third one. Sorry. This is not IB, this is I as the first option. And this is IB, yes, correct. IB, yes, correct. Okay, now okay. So first one is AB, A and B, AB. Second one, A and this B, AB. Now second allele from this one, A and B, AB. Next, A and that B, again AB. So all the 4 children, they will be having only AB blood group. That means 100% only AB blood group. But thing is, one parent is A blood group, one parent is B blood group, but all the children will be having only AB, not A, not B, only AB. So we can predict this one as the first answer. If we consider this one just here, why not the second question? Why not the second option? A and A blood group, okay? A and B, AB blood group. But thing is, if you multiply this one, A and A, if the children A means, then already A parent is there here. So leave that option. And here also, A and B, AB, okay? A and O, what is that one? A. A means already one parent is there here. So this one also cancelled. And here, A and B, what is that one? AB, okay? A and O, A. But here, when we multiply A and B, already AB blood group parent is there here. That means this is also not right answer. So while multiplying, just need to focus on here these things, these letters you need to focus on. Leave the I, just you multiply this one and write their blood groups here. So here 100% AB only. The first option if you consider in that sense. In the same way, if we consider the second question, the second problem. So what is the second one here? if both wife and husband, both parents, if both wife and husband having AB blood group, already they have mentioned AB means that is only heterozygous, not homozygous. Both wife and husband AB blood group, what is the chance of their children, their first child is of blood group AB? See the question, what is the question? Both the parents are AB blood group. If they are getting their first child, what is the probability of that first child having the same AB blood group? This is the question. So for this question, we are having 4 options here for the second question. Option 1, 100% chance. Option B, 50% chance. Option C, 25% chance. And option D, 0%, no chances. So already they have mentioned here parents. Let me write. Parents blood group is AB. Already in the question they have mentioned, this is the data, given data. AB means compulsory it must be IA and IB, only heterozygous condition. If both are like that, what is the probability of their first child having this AB blood group? Then what we can write here? IA, IB, one parent, IA, IB. That is one parent. If both the parents are having the same blood group, then A and B, AB, B and A, AB, then B and B, B. Yes, A, AB and B. 3 types of blood groups we can expect in the child. Not O is not possible here. Keep on thinking, when both the parents are heterozygous, that is when both the parents are AB, they will not get the blood group O. Or in another way we can say, when both the parents are universal acceptor, they cannot produce the son or the child who is universal donor. That is the thing. So A, AB and B, possibility is there here. And percentage wise if you divide means, so here A means 25% chance. If we consider this is 100, so this is 25%, B also 25%, and AB it is 50%. Why? Because half portion, that one only is there. That means AB blood group, that expectation in the child, that is 50%. We can expect for 50%. And one more problem if you consider. Here one more problem is there here. How many types of genotypes possible for Rh gene? Let me revise one more time. How many types of genotypes are possible for Rh gene? Yes. Third one here. Rh gene, already in the previous video I mentioned, this Rh gene, it is having 8 allelic forms. And this Rh gene present on the first chromosome and it is available in 8 allelic forms. And for this question, they have given 4 options: 72, 36, 31, 31 and 60. 4 options we are having. What is the question here? For Rh gene, how many genotypes are possible? So here already I mentioned here, Rh gene, it is available in 8 allelic forms. Then how to predict its a genotype? For that one, simply we are having one equation. So let me write the equation here. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the equation. So since I am not having the space here, so its meaning is this is the equation to predict or to find out the possible number of genotypes if we are given with number of alleles. In the question, if they give number of alleles, or if they give the gene name, if you know the alleles, then by using this formula we can predict possible genotypes. So already I mentioned Rh gene, it is having 8 alleles. So let me put in the formula. N is equal to 8 alleles. So what it shows here, 8 into 8 plus 1 divided by 2. 8 into 8. So here n means number of alleles, 8 alleles. So here it is 8 into 9 divided by 2. 9 ones are 9 fours are 4 into 9, 36. So total how many alleles, how many genotypes possible? 36. So here the second option. So on the basis of number of alleles you can predict that. You can predict the possible genotypes here, and especially since it is a multiple allelism concept, probably they may ask for finding the genotypes, or they may ask for to find out the probable children blood groups by giving the data of the blood group of their parents, or sometimes they will give the blood groups of the children, and they will give the blood group of one parent only, it's a phenotype. Then they will ask for the genotype of the total parent composition. So in that different ways they can ask. And here I am giving one more question here. So just you try for that question. The question is, the blood type of mother is B. What type of B? Homozygous or heterozygous? That is left to you only. The blood type of mother is B, and the progeny in the family is 25% A blood group, 25% AB blood group, 50% B blood group. Then what is the genotype of the parents? Yes? Are you getting? Once again I am repeating. The blood type of mother is B, and the progeny in that family is 25% A, 25% AB, 50% B. Then what is the genotype of their parents? So this is the question. And here for this question, the first option, father IA IB, mother IB IO. First one. Second one, father IA IB, mother IB IB. Second one. Third one, father IA IO, mother IB IO. That is third one. And a fourth one, father IA IA, mother IB IO. So this is the question, and these are the 4 options. You try this one, and I hope so. For this question, after solving this one, you comment your answer in the comment section. So we can solve a lot of problems on this basis. But thing is, we cannot take all the problems here in one video. So some probable questions I have taken here. And if you have any inquiry, please comment on the comment box downside. And in the next video, let us come along with another major concept from the same genetics chapter. I hope you are getting the thing here. And please, after completion, after seeing the video, once you try the concept, once you try to solve the problems on this genotype basis, and if you are not getting anything properly, then you send me that second video. You link both together and watch once. And in the next video, let us see one more concept. Thank you.